Hello everyone! Next we are going to show you how we can create a scarecrow out of some of the stripes of the paper. See how I am just folding them and holding them together with the help of the glue stick. This one is a scarecrow and your birds will definitely be scared when they will see this scarecrow. This activity is full of fun and kids will fall in love with it. If we will talk about the difficulty level, then this one is a little bit difficult because you have to be careful while you are just folding and rolling all these strips together. We are going to make it more funny as we can. For this we are going to make the hat for the scarecrow. This activity is cool, just give it a try. Move towards our another activity. We are going to show you how we can create a cute simple rat in just few easy simple steps. You may require a sheet of the paper, scissor and the glue stick as well. You just have to make the features of the mouse as I am here doing. This activity is very simple. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 8. Don't forget to make the ears and the body. We are going to make it more colorful so that it will look more and more good. This activity is so simple, just give it a try. You can make it in just few easy simple steps, and moreover it will not take much of your time and much of your patience. Next, we are going to show you how we can create a hanging frog out of this fabric. It's somewhat fabric type canvas sheet, and then you just have to fold it, roll it, and you just have to tie it up with the help of the yarn. This activity is very easy and it's very less time consuming. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. Don't forget to make the other features like the limbs of this frog and the eyes. Let's try to make another thing. We are going to make a bat. Bats are usually black in color and they are most importantly famous because they suck the blood of the humans as well as the animals. And today we are going to make the one of the bat. You may get scared, but we will going to make it somewhat funny. And for this I am making use of this black sheet of the paper. I have made this holes from the two ends and I am just tying them up using the black colored yarn. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 11 to 12. If we will talk about the difficulty level of this one, then this one is somewhat medium difficult because you have to be careful while you are going to make some of the knots. Just give it a try. Thank you.